On Saturday, Governor Cuomo delivered his daily briefing on the pandemic at the new settlement community in the Bronx. On day 91, he provided the data on hospitalization, intubation, number of deaths at 67 today, same as yesterday, and proceeded to announce that New York City plans to open on June 8th. He called attention to the inequality in healthcare and, quote, the non-existing hospital system. There are 10 hotspots in the outer boroughs and 10 more testing sites will be added to each one. Efforts will be concentrated in some Bronx areas. Mr. Cuomo placed emphasis on the fact that the approach to controlling the virus in New York was driven by data and world specialists with expertise in the area of health crisis, not by politics or emotions. In reference to latest protests prompted by George Floyd's death in police custody in Minnesota, the governor stated that there is injustice in the criminal justice system. The message of fighting discrimination is obscured by the acts of violence, said Mr. Cuomo. In response to last night's violent episodes during the protesting in Brooklyn, the governor has directed Attorney General James to review all actions and procedures because the public deserves answers and accountability, the governor said. He signed a new law providing death benefits to the families of frontline workers who lost their lives fighting the COVID-19 pandemic in New York. He devoted a portion of the briefing to the people of New York who protected one another by staying home. Special credit went to frontline workers, the ones who were asked to go to work when everyone else was under orders to stay home, Governor said. To honor the legacy of the ultimate sacrifice made in the name of love for humanity, Mr. Cuomo signed a bill that gives death benefits to the families of all frontline workers that gave their lives for us. During the questions portion of the press conference, I asked Mr. Cuomo if the state has any medical data such as numbers on hospitalizations, infections, fatalities for the Albanian community. The governor's response was that he will look into it.
Rafaela Prifti, Albanian American paper, The Sun. We're in the Bronx and there's a sizable community of Albanian Americans here. With respect to the medical data on minorities, aside from the African Americans and Latino communities, do you have or do you expect to have any data on hospitalization, infections, death rate on the Albanian American community?
That is a very good question.
I do not know the percentages for the Albanian community. I don't know that they collect that in hospitals, but I will find out, and if we have it, we will get it out to you forthwith. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend. I'll see you tomorrow.
Rafaela Prifti reporting from the Bronx.